You make this point that when people are thinking both about their machines and about ourselves in the way we think language in, language out, must be language in the middle.
Yes.
And this is an important misunderstanding.
Yeah,
Can you just explain that?
I think that's complete rubbish.
Yeah.
So if that were true, and it were just language in the middle, you'd have thought that approach, which is called symbolic AI, would have been really good at doing things like machine translation, which is just taking English in and producing French out or something. You'd have thought manipulating symbols was the right approach for that. But actually, neural nets work much better. And Google Translate, when they switched from doing that kind of approach to using neural nets, they did much better. What I think you've got in the middle is you've got millions of neurons, and some of them are active and some of them aren't. And that's what's in there. The only place you'll find the symbols are at the input and at the output.